How to make money from the World Cup. This YouTube channel has managed to get 33 million views in the last 30 days, and its number of subscribers is more than 1.5 million. If we assume its RPM is $1, then its income from ads last month would be $3,300. That's acceptable. Its popular videos have managed to get 110 million views, 80 million views, and 75 million views. It has a lot of videos like this. Its video style is like this: a few photos of football players, a text, and a sticker. Then the scene changes and a few more photos and another sticker appear. This style gets monetized. You might ask, how? Because you're not just putting photos, you're fully editing them using effects, stickers, and different images. And you make it something a bot can't do. You put effort into it. Now I'm going to fully teach you how to make videos like this, and that too without any difficult software like Premiere or After Effects, just with CapCut, and in the easiest way possible. So easy that even if you were a 7-year-old, you could learn it.